Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Sarala. Today I am going to talk about how we can improve our listening skills and did we learn anything by listening English content videos. Yes, absolutely we can learn a lot by listening English content videos. Okay, so I am going to tell you what are the benefits to listen some of the English content videos. So I am going to tell you in this today's video. Without lag, let's dive into the video. Comparing to writing and reading, listening is very important. In my personal experience, we learned a lot by listening English. Okay, so you may think that, so how can we listen? So what are we have to listen, right? So I'm going to tell you there are so many resources are available nowadays. In your hand there is a gadget, the world is in your hand, that is the mobile, right? So we just, what you need to do is just you have to take your mobile and just search about the podcast. You listen that podcast, whatever you like to listen, just you need to listen in English. Okay, just you need to listen in English and you can improve your listening skills. And as well as if you are interested to watch or if you want to interested to listen TED Talks, okay, just you need to listen some of the TED Talks and also some of interpreted speeches, right? So interpreted speeches are very commendable and their way of speaking is very inspirational, right? So just you need to do is listen their words and what they are speaking in their videos. Okay, you definitely get motivated. Just you need to do is listen those words in English. Spend at least 15 minutes or 10 minutes for listening English content videos. Okay, what I need to do is whenever I watch or whenever I listen any kind of videos or any kind of English content videos, so in case I cannot understand the meanings of that word, so just I'll pause the video and after that I'll search it in Google. So after getting the meaning of that particular word, I'll just listen that video and I'll just watch that video. You're doing in this way, you can understand their speeches and you can understand their conversation, what they are speaking in the video. Okay, what you need to do is just you can learn those words. Okay, not only learning the words, what you need to do is just you have to make the sentence of that particular words. Not only making sentences, those sentences you have to use in your speaking. Okay, in this way you have to make it habit. You definitely speak very good English and you to be fluent in English as well. Just you need to do is make a schedule of listening some of the podcast or whatever you are interested to English content videos. You need to do is just make a schedule of it because you are learning a language, right? So you need to spend some of the time for English. Okay, I know some persons are interested to listen some of the songs like Telugu songs or Tamil songs or Kannada songs, whatever the songs it may be. So instead of what you need to do is you should listen some of the podcast, you should listen some of the English songs. Okay, you should listen some of the interpreted speeches. Just you need to improve your English by listening some of the podcast and make some of the sentence and use those sentence in your daily life. Okay, so yeah, this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you really like the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll come up with another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.